third video on the ninth class probability. Let's start with this. I just write it down the questions here but not full. So let's start the question number first, probability 15.1 exercise. In a cricket match, a batswoman hit 6 times in 30 balls. Find the probability that she not hit the boundary. Whenever word not is coming, generally we'll go with that formula, probability of event plus probability of not event. Probability of event plus probability of not event is always equals to 1. This is the first priority for this. So here the total balls are 30, that is outcome. She hit the boundaries is equals to 6. So what is the probability to hit the ball? Probability of hit the ball is number of favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Say favorable is 6 and total is 30. The answer is 1 upon 5. Now here I am using that formula. The probability of event plus the probability of not an event is equals to 1. Here the probability of event means hit the boundaries. I already find 1 upon 5. Not hit the boundaries, we don't know, we have to find it, that is equals to 1. 1 upon 5 is shifted that side, then it becomes 1 minus 1 upon 5. So answer becomes 4 upon 5. Now the second question of this exercise, there was a survey of 1500 families where the 2 children are there. The data is in front of your screen. The number of girls and the number of families means 2 girls in 475 families, 1 girl in 814 families and 0 girls in 211 families. From this data we have to find out the probability of 2 girls, 1 girl and no girl, and also we have to be check the sum of probabilities always equals to 1. First we have to find out total. What is the outcome here? The total families we having 1500, so outcome is 1500. The first part is the probability of 2 girls. The probability of 2 girls, generally what we students done, they generally write 2 upon 1500. That is wrong. It is not the right way. They are talking about the two girls in the family. So how many families we having in the 2 girls? 475. So answer become 475 upon 1500. Same way for the 1 girl, again students will write 1 upon 1500, then again it will be wrong. So how many families for the 1 girl? That is 814 divided by total 1500. And for the no girls, we having 211 families. So probability is 211 upon 15. So in the last they also ask find the sum. Check that sum is equals to 1. When we know that the sum, how to check the probability sum, sum of all the probabilities, add all the probabilities here. When I write it down all the probabilities, I took the LCM 1500. When I add all the numerators, then it becomes 15 because the denominator is same. So the numerator is also same. When we add it becomes 1500, it will cancel. So answer is 1. Yes, the sum of all probabilities equals to 1. Now come to the question number 5th, important one. Here there is a survey of 2400 families. This table is between the monthly income and the number of vehicle per family having. So here I just write it down the monthly income less than 7,000, between 7,000, 10,000, 10,000, 13,000, 13 and 16,000, 16 and more. And here I just mentioned number of vehicles 0, 1, 2 or more than 2. So here in this category we having 10, 0 means 10 having 0 vehicle. And here we having 160, those having 1 vehicle. Here we having 25, those having 2 vehicles and 0 above 2. So this is the table first that is given in the question. Only on the basis of this we have to be solve these probabilities. So here they mention earning between 10,000 and 13,000. So find it out the table 10,000 and 30,000. This is the table. And what they are asking exactly 2 vehicles. 2,000 say 13,000. So first we having total 2400 families. So what is the probability? Let the event taken for this first part is A. The probability is favorable cases divided by total outcomes. Okay, exactly 2 vehicles. Now find it out in this table exactly 2 vehicles. Exactly 2 vehicles, how many? This is the exactly 2 vehicles. Means 29 families having exactly 2 vehicles. So answer is 29 upon 2400. Now for the second probability, earning 16,000 and more. 16,000 and more, this is the slab, and we have to find out one vehicle. So in front of this, find it out, where is the one vehicle? This is one vehicle. So how many families having only one vehicle? That is 579 upon 2,400. For the third, earning is less than 7,000. Less than 7,000 means this is the case. Now they are talking about no vehicle. Now check it out. There is the no vehicle categories. No vehicle, how many families having no vehicle? 10. In front of this is 10. So answer is 10 upon 2,400. When we cancel it, become 1 upon 240. Now the next event is earning between 13 and 16,000. 13 and 60,000. And how many vehicle they want? More than 2. So check it out. More than 2. How many are there? 25. So what is the probability here? 25 upon 2,400. It becomes 1 upon 96. This last part is very important. That find the probability owning not more than one vehicle. Not more than one vehicle का वो केस हो गया कि जिसमें एक व्हीकल भी है और एक से कम भी है. तो मीन्स दीज टू केसेस जिसमें 1 वाले व्हीकल्स भी आएंगे और 0 वाले व्हीकल्स है वो भी आएंगे. तो फर्स्ट टाइम जस्ट राइटिंग हाउ मेनी फैमिलीज हैविंग वन व्हीकल एंड नॉट मीन्स लेस देन 1. So here we having 10, 0, 1, 2, 1. So first I just write it down and add it. These are the families plus the number of vehicles having one vehicle in the family. 160, 305, 535, then 469, then 579. When we add it, total become this 2,062 families having the vehicle 1 or less than 1. So what is the probability for that? 2062 divided by total. Total is 2400. When we cancel it, answer becomes 1031 upon 1200. Thank you. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.